സക്സസ് ഫയലിന്റെ ഈ ഒരു വീഡിയോ ക്ലാസ്സിലൂടെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ നിന്നുമുള്ള 25 ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഇത് PSC ബുള്ളറ്റിൽ നിന്നും തിരഞ്ഞെടുത്തിട്ടുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. ആദ്യത്തെ ചോദ്യം, ദ കളക്റ്റീവ് നൗൺ ഫോർ പോയംസ്. ദ കളക്റ്റീവ് നൗൺ ഫോർ പോയംസ്. ആന്തോളജി. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ് ഉത്തരം. ആന്തോളജി. List of headings of the business to be transacted in a meeting. List of headings of the business to be transacted in a meeting. Agenda. Option D. Agenda. One who does not believe in God. One who does not believe in God. Atheist. Option B. Atheist. The phrase let off means. The phrase let off means to excuse from penalty. To excuse from penalty. The meaning of brevity. The meaning of brevity. Conciseness. Option B ആണ് ഉത്തരം. Conciseness. Concisenessന്റെ മീനിങ് വരുന്നത് conciseness is communicating complete information about a topic or idea in a few words. The government rejected all the demands. Replace the word underlined with the right phrase. Underline ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന word rejected ആണ്. Option C ആണ് ഉത്തരം. Turned down. Turned down. She has not fully recovered the shock. She has not fully recovered from the shock. I shall avail dash of your advice. I shall avail dash of your advice. Myself. I shall avail myself of your advice. My book is the old one. Dash is the torn one. Yours. My book is the old one. Yours is the torn one. Hobson's choice means. Hobson's choice means. Option D ആണ് ഉത്തരം. Choice of taking what is available or nothing at all. Choice of taking what is available or nothing at all. Hobson's choice. A baker's dozen means. A baker's dozen means 13. Option C ആണ് ഉത്തരം. Baker's dozen എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ 13 ആണ് വരുന്നത്. Choose the word which is nearest in meaning to the keyword charisma. Option D ആണ് ഉത്തരം. Magnetic appeal. Magnetic appeal. Which is correctly spelled. Option D ആണ് ഉത്തരം. Adolescence. 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 When the boys dash in the field, they heard an explosion. When the boys dash in the field, they heard an explosion. Option A ആണ് ഉത്തരം. Were playing. When the boys were playing in the field, they heard an explosion. Leela said, I wrote a letter. Change into indirect speech. Option C ആണ് ഉത്തരം. Leela said that she had written a letter. Leela said that she had written a letter. The opposite of the word phrase. The opposite of the word phrase. Option C ആണ് ഉത്തരം. Condemn. CONDEMN. Choose the appropriate word that has the similar meaning as the word authentic. Option C ആണ് ഉത്തരം. Accurate. The opposite of affinity. The opposite of affinity. Option C ആണ് ഉത്തരം. Hatred. Hatred. They cancelled the tour due to dash weather. They cancelled the tour due to dash weather. Inclement. They cancelled the tour due to inclement weather. Mohan has visited all the cities in Kerala since he dash working in the road transport. Option B ആണ് ഉത്തരം. Has been. Mohan has visited all the cities in Kerala since he has been working in the road transport. Each of the students dash done well. Has. Option D. Has. Each of the students has done well. A person who treats mental disease is called. A person who treats mental disease. Psychiatrist. 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 I can't help you dash you tell me the truth. Option A ആണ് ഉത്തരം. I can't help you unless you tell me the truth. The feminine gender of called. The feminine gender of called. Filly. Option A ആണ് ഉത്തരം. Filly. Called എന്നാൽ a young male horse ആണ് called എന്നത്. Filly എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ a young female horse. Persisting tirelessly. Persisting tirelessly. Indefatigable. Option A ആണ് ഉത്തരം. Indefatigable. I can write a book dash grammar. I can write a book dash grammar. Option A on. I can write a book on grammar. You should adapt yourself dash the conditions of this place. You should adapt yourself dash the conditions of this place. Option D ആണ് ഉത്തരം. 2. You should adapt yourself to the conditions of this place. A decision on which one cannot go back. A decision on which one cannot go back. Option C ആണ് ഉത്തരം. Irrevocable. Irrevocable. The first person who dash the question will be awarded. The first person who dash the question will be awarded. Option C ആണ് ഉത്തരം. Answers. The first person who answers the question will be awarded. അടുത്തതൊരു question tag ആണ്. You throw it away. You throw it away. Don't you. Option D ആണ് ഉത്തരം. Don't you. You throw it away. Don't you. കൂടുതൽ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസുമായി നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കാണാം. താങ്ക് യു.